Hello, people of the Interballs, if you're out there. Don't judge me. This is Chris in Japan, and I am just checking in to show you the house around really quick while I'm here, just so you have an idea where we're staying. This is an Airbnb in Tokyo. Yeah, we're quite, we're a bit ways from there. All right, let's get around so you can check out. This is the middle of the house, and this is the microwave, fridge, and freezer. And all sorts of goodies in here. Kind of got loading up on different staples and things that we need day to day. The drying rack, which is proven to be somewhat futile at this point because of the humidity, but we'll give it some chance. The washer, which is kind of cool, very difficult to use to a point, but still trying to master it. Our table, chairs, and the kitchen area is kind of attached to everything. It's kind of central to all the water in the house. The heating, the sink area, the bathroom with Pat in it. The restroom, which is kind of old-fashioned squatty potty style, and good stuff. And here's the main hall. Here's our front door. Steps up. This is the seating area with the couch with Devin. And our maximum television and maximum storage area. And this here is the transition area to the stairs, to the sleeping area. Behind here is our umbrellas, which came with the house. Storage area here. There's fire extinguishers and stuff everywhere, by the way. It's kind of interesting. So this is what the light switches look like. So there's those. And then this is a magnetic door. So this separates us from the bedroom. And then there's these light panels here with the button lights. And this is the air conditioner control. So once again, just kind of a bit of a messy this morning, but just showing you kind of, here's our bed arrangement, your window arrangements, and there's some storage closets. It's kind of old-fashioned, just sliding, everything slides, kind of made of wood. This is the drapes in the windows. There is a fan up here. If you didn't want to run the AC, you can just open a fan up in here for circulation. And that'll help circulate the air up here if it gets kind of dank. These are kind of cool. You see these, there's one in the kitchen as well. Kind of a circulator fan. And then we got one more quick bedroom stop. This is another bedroom. And that pretty much concludes our tiny Airbnb. Bye bye.